to use Excel to get a regression equation. So this is the example from the class. I have two variables. One variable is TV advertising, which is independent variable. Another variable is car sales, which is dependent variables. First, let me use this data to show the scatter chart. First, I highlight these two variables and the data, and insert, and go to chart, and go to chart, and go to scatter chart. I'm using MacBook Pro, so if you are using Windows, you may see different screen, but very similar. Okay, next, insert a scatter chart. This is a scatter chart. So how to show the equations? You can first left click any data point. You will see all data are chosen, and right click, you add a trend line. Choose linear, and also you need to check two items: display equation on chart and the display R square. You see, when you check display equation, you see the equation here. Okay, so it's tiny, but you can see it. Okay, so the equation, and you can make it larger by choose the font size. So you show the equation. Okay, so the equation is y, which is car sales, is equal to 5 times x, TV advertising, plus 10. And R square is 0.87719. So this is how you use scatter chart to show the equation of a regression line. Then another way, actually that's the formal way to get the regression equations. First, you need to make sure you have the add-in of analyst tool pack. So how to make sure? If you go to data, if you can see data analysis, means that you can run regression model in Excel. If you can't, you need to go to, and you should go to the Excel, and I'm using Mac Pro, so for Mac Pro, you go to Tools and Excel and Add-ins. So if you are using Windows, you go to Excel and find Options. You need to add the Analysis tool pack. So I using Mac, I go to Tools, Excel Add-ins. You need to check an Analysis tool pack. Check it and hit OK. You will see the data analysis. Okay, so you hit data analysis. You need to choose regression. Go to regression and hit OK. Now you need to input the Y. First, you need to check labels. And hit this icon, and you can choose Y, including the label. So from C1 to C6, hit Enter. And you hit another icon to input X. For X, you input the label and the data. Hit Enter. And hit OK. Now, this is the result for the regression. So you need to know how to read the result. Okay, so 10 is the intercept. TV, this is a variable for independent variable. This is a coefficient for independent variable. So based on this result, and Y, which is car sales, equal to intercept plus 5 times X. So this is the equation, the regression equation based on the result. Okay, then this is ANOVA result, and you will see the F value. This is the P value for F, and you will also see R squared, 0.87719, as is the same as we just got from the scatter chart. Okay, and this is the p-value for the coefficient. So I will explain the p-value and the t-statistics in class. Okay, that's how you get a regression result.